Spice Girls star Mel C has joined the dating app, Hinge, but has complained about the slim pickings. The 48-year-old previously dated music producer Joe Marshall for 7 years, but the relationship ended in August. And now that she's single, the star has avoided using the celebrity dating app, Raya, and opted for something more casual. "What is it about Hinge?" she asked. "I'm single, and I'm having a little look around, it's slim pickings." Speaking to Joe and George Baggs on the Not My Bag podcast, she added, "There seem to be loads of hot girls, but all the hot guys are gay." Discussing Raya, Melanie said, "You're going to see loads of people in the public eye on that particular platform." Before Melanie split up with Joe, the pair lived in North London with Mel's 13-year-old daughter, Scarlett, and Joe's 2 children. A source told The Sun at the time of the breakup, Mel has an incredibly busy career between her book deal, DJing and other plans. The little free time she does have is devoted to her daughter Scarlett, and that doesn't leave much time for a relationship. The source added that the split was amicable, with Sporty Spice not afraid to be single if she thinks it's for the best. Spice Girl Mel said of Joe in a rare interview in 2016, "He challenges me but respects and loves me," Mel said of Joe. "I don't think I've ever been in a relationship where someone has got my back." Get all the biggest showbiz news straight into your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. Meanwhile, last week, Mel C won an honorary gay award at Attitude Magazine's awards show. Rumors about Sporty Spice's sexuality have been rife since the Spice Girls found fame in 1996. But the singer said, "I have zero problem with people thinking I was gay. If I was gay, so what? It's not a bad thing, it's a brilliant thing." Telling of her pride at winning honorary gay at Attitude Magazine's awards, she added, "The Spice Girls were about embracing individuality. Everybody was invited into our gang. It wasn't just girl power, it was gay power. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.